PolyVision is a cloud-based vision service that uses artificial intelligence to extract real-time information from video and images. PolyVision uses your video footage or live stream to provide advanced insights, reporting, and analytical capabilities to improve your business. PolyVision makes advanced technology available to any business or person to improve a range of scenarios or processes. Using the power of artificial intelligence and a variety of machine learning models, PolyVision processes the collected data and provides results back to the user in a matter of seconds. So, how does PolyVision process the information? PolyVision performs tasks that would usually require human intelligence. It uses a range of industry-leading technology that is powered by enterprise-level cloud infrastructure to replace manual systems or processes at a very economical cost. PolyVision works by receiving information from a camera, an image, or a live feed. The data is then processed by our advanced machine learning models, which have thousands of examples of the object to compare against for identification or tracking. These results are then available in the PolyVision portal, so decisions can be made or systems improved. Using the power of PolyVision, you are able to determine a large range of objects from the video feed. This includes identifying shapes, objects, animals, people, vehicles, food, and a host of other details due to its extensive database of information to reference against. Once processing is complete, a range of data is available for review to assist in decision-making or for predictive analysis. So, how do you use PolyVision? Firstly, you log into an easy-to-use self-service portal with your custom login. Then you create a job and add in the details for the type of project. After a few simple clicks, you can then upload a video, an image, or even connect to your camera's live feed. Then, PolyVision will start processing the information and start reporting on the metrics analyzed. PolyVision has been engineered to analyze video from a range of industries and situations. PolyVision can improve manufacturing processes, can assist in the management of wildlife, and detect large amounts of data on vehicles. It can also identify roads, rail, or other types of infrastructure that may require maintenance or replacement. For more information on how this technology can assist you, visit us at the below website, poly.vision.